Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the router and modem are powered and the LAN ports show activity. Once done, pick a Cat5e or Cat6 cable with no frays or kinks. Quality matters for speed. Next, move behind the Ps5 and orient the RJ45 plug correctly. You'll hear a click when it seats. Make sure the console is on or in rest mode so it can negotiate network settings immediately. This initial physical connection is the foundation for a stable wired link. You now tell the Ps5 to use the wired connection. Go to Settings, then Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. Choose LAN cable and select Easy so the console picks up IP and DNS automatically. This is the fastest route for most home networks. If your network requires a static IP, switch to manual and enter the router-assigned IP, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. Once configured, run the connection test so the system can confirm speed and NAT type. You finish by running the Ps5 connection test to verify download and upload speeds and the NAT type. If speeds are lower than expected, make sure to power cycle the router and modem, try a different router LAN port, or swap in another known good cable to isolate the issue. If problems persist, test a PC on the same port to confirm router behavior and consider updating router firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: check the LAN port LEDs. No light usually means a bad cable or inactive port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.